SC Speed RC Racing.
Hey out there, this is SC from SC Speed RC Racing, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of an Avanti airbrush compressor combo kit from Habor Freight. I'm not sponsored by either one of these companies, however, enjoy the video. Alright, here we go. We got the Avanti airbrush compressor combo kit, and we're going to look at the box and see what we think of the box. The box is nice. I love this blue color of this box and this blue-white paint scheme that they have. And let's see what this thing supposedly works good with. It says works with lacquers, enamels, oil-based airbrush paints, ideal for beginners to demanding artists on the go. So this airbrush is for beginners and possibly somebody that's on the go that's doing that. So we just got this for Christmas and we decided we're going to do an unboxing on it. We got these two cards here that we are going to use this on to paint, but for right now we're just going to do this unboxing. So consistent flow, silent design, says gravity fed airbrush. So here's your airbrush, dual action airbrush for precision control. All right, so Habor Freight put all that on the front. Let's see what it's actually got to offer. So pop it open. As you can see, here's what we got. Opening up, got a paper here in front. Pull this paper out. This gives you more pictures and information about it. So we just put that to the side. Cool. We got it foamed up inside the box. Once we pull this out, so Habor Freight took in, made a nice little box for us. Avanti, that there, that, and let's see what we get inside. We get the instructions. See the instructions here. Those who like the instructions, they're here. Put that to the side over here. And over here we got an air hose, air line. You can see it's got a quick connect on it. And a quick connect. Here's the other end. Connects to the outlet port for the air compressor. And this is a 10-foot hose. So you will be able to have your air compressor further away from you and still have a great length to be able to have control. So that's a 10-foot hose. All right, so we got here some couplings or whatever, the adapters that go on the that you probably can put somewhere on there. Put that to the side. Let's open this box. Open the styrofoam up. See what we got in here. We got the airbrush. Just open it up. So your airbrush is here. You got your airbrush here. Pull that out. See that airbrush? You got some good weight on it. You got your quick connect here. Let's look down inside. You can see that. Yeah. There's that airbrush. It's got a pretty big opening down there at the bottom. Dual action. All right, so put that down. You got your needle wrench. And you have a piper where you can squirt their water down in there to clean this out. You can use this also to take your paint and get some paint out if you've mixed some colors or whatever, and put this down inside that way. And also to help you clean the airbrush out. So however you want to use that piping tool, you can use it. So there's your airbrush. All right, set that airbrush to the side here. Now to the compressor. So here's the compressor. And the compressor, at first glance, there it is. There's the compressor. So this seems to be a nice compressor. I like the colors. I like this blue, that Carolina blue. This gray, it goes along with that Carolina gray. These suction cups are suction cups. Okay, they're not really suction cups. They have some type of pegs on it, like little brushes on the bottom. So let's see if it's sliding. No, it's not really sliding, but it seems to still hold it in place. Got, see if it's lightweight. It's not too heavy. It's pretty light. Let's see what else we can do. We also can check the size of this thing. Let's see what the length is. Size of it. Looks like the size of this is right at 9 1/4. The length wise, it is maybe 8 1/4, right around 8 1/4 tall. And how wide is this? Check the wideness, 4 inches. So as you can see, that's pretty small, not very big at all. Got about a 5-foot cord here. And I mean, this is a nice air compressor. So let's just go ahead and plug it up. See how it sounds. So let's go ahead and turn it on. As you can hear, let me step back. See if I can get this cord so you can hear it. See. That's your air. Now, if you can hear that from the distance that I'm at, like the forward extended cord, 10 inches, you can tell that this thing isn't very loud at all. So noise wise, don't even think that's going to be very loud. That's very, very quiet. And it holds its pressure, even with it just running. But you can see it's vibrating off the table. So as far as keeping it still, I'm not sure how we're going to keep it still, but we're going to just probably have to find a better surface to put it on to keep it still. So there it is, the Avanti airbrush compressor combo kit. The Avanti airbrush compressor combo kit. That's my unboxing. Thanks for watching.